Welcome back to Beautyistic, everyone. Today, we're diving into a skincare gem designed specifically for delicate and sensitive skin, the Natura Bissé NB Ceutical Tolerance Recovery Cream. This is a pro-comfort nourishing cream that promises to soothe and nourish your skin. With a 1.7-ounce jar packed with ingredients like lactic acid, soy, and wheat proteins. Right off the bat, this cream is aimed at those with sensitive or compromised skin barriers, looking for gentle nourishment without irritation. It claims to provide a calming effect while delivering moisture and support for recovery. Let's see how it holds up in real life. I incorporated this cream into my evening routine over the past couple of weeks. The texture is rich, yet surprisingly lightweight. It glides on smoothly without feeling heavy or greasy, which is essential for sensitive skin prone to reactivity. The lactic acid inclusion caught my attention since it's an alpha-hydroxy acid often used for mild exfoliation, but here it's balanced carefully with soy and wheat proteins to provide nourishment without causing irritation. I noticed my skin felt calmer and less inflamed on days when external factors usually made it reactive. Think dryness or redness from weather changes. It absorbed fairly quickly, leaving a soft, hydrated finish. It's not a moisturizer that sits on top, but rather works beneath to reinforce the skin's barrier. However, if you have extremely dry skin, you might need a heavier moisturizer layered on top, especially in harsher climates. One thing to highlight is that this cream avoids any fragrance, which is a huge plus for sensitive skin sufferers who often react to scented products. It also doesn't have any silicones or unnecessary fillers, which aligns with its goal of comfort and nourishment. On the downside, the price point is definitely on the higher end. At 1.7 ounces, it's a small jar, and while the quality is impressive, budget-conscious users might find it a bit steep. For comparison, some calming creams from other high-end brands offer similar soothing effects with slightly larger sizes or additional ingredients like ceramides or niacinamide, which are also beneficial for sensitive skin. The packaging feels sturdy and elegant, giving a premium vibe without being over the top. The product's shelf life seems standard, but since it's formulated without heavy preservatives, it's probably best to use it within 6 months after opening for maximum efficacy. I didn't have direct contact with Natura Bissé customer service for this product, but the brand has a solid reputation for excellent customer support and transparency regarding ingredient sourcing and product safety. If you're exploring alternatives, brands like La Roche-Posay's Toleriane Ultra or Avène's Cicatrate offer calming creams with similar skin-soothing benefits, but usually at a lower price point. However, Natura Bissé leans into luxury territory with its targeted formulation and ingredient blend. So, does this cream live up to its promises? For those with sensitive, reactive skin who want a soothing, nourishing cream without unnecessary extras or irritation risks, it's a strong contender. It's ideal if you're ready to invest in quality and gentle efficacy. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching Beautyistic today. If you've tried the Natura Bissé NB Ceutical Tolerance Recovery Cream, drop a comment below and share your experience. We love hearing your thoughts. The purchase link is in the description and comments box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.